Hello students, next concept, write differences between emission and absorption spectrum. Write differences between emission and absorption spectrum. Then the differences of emission spectrum and absorption spectrum. First point, emission spectrum. It is formed when substance emits the radiation. Absorption spectrum lo it is formed when substance absorbs the radiation. Second point, emission spectrum. It is produced electron jumps from higher orbit to lower orbit. Absorption spectrum lo it is produced electron jumps from lower orbit to higher orbit. Next, third point, it consists of bright lines formed on dark background. Absorption spectrum lo it consists dark lines are formed on bright background. Emission spectrum lo fourth point, it is classified into two types. First one continuous spectrum, second one discontinuous spectrum. Absorption spectrum is not classified. Okay, thank you.